traders. Today is the 4th of June. What a blessing day, guys. We help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Most of the traders bank around 300, 400 pips today, guys. And especially all the yen pair has given us amazing trade. Let me share with you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit. So let's talk about the pound yen. This is the beautiful trades. And if I show you the 4 hour analysis, that's what we're looking over buys. As you can see here, the price, you know, high low is being developed. So we explain our trader look for this possibility if the price gonna break, then possibility of short trade here. We have the symmetry triangle pattern break this morning. As explained, just keep taking all this pullback. Now, once we analyze the market buys on the 4 hour, how we analyze the intraday and help our traders to not to miss any opportunity, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys all the analysis. If you look at the this morning analysis, we just this analysis just before London Open. As you can see here, we have such a nice, beautiful, amazing trade. Price nicely. If you look ahead, the price developed head and shoulder pattern in intraday, broke on this one. We were looking this breakout. Even if you look at the price broken and retest, that's a give us a high probability. Beautiful. Bank some profit. After banking, as explained, look for another pullback. After banking, we did another analysis. You can see here. Beautiful, amazing trade, beautiful pullback. After that, we had a pullback, short trade here, bank amazing profit. And afterwards, if you look at here, we have another beautiful short trade. As you can see here, the price nicely broken, beautiful, and pullback. One, two, three, pullback, amazing trade. And afterwards, we have another beautiful short trade here. We have another beautiful counter long trade here. And that's another short trade. You can see amazing breakout. Beautiful. And after banking, the last trade we had, this is the counter long trade here. Bank amazing profit. All right, so that was a beautiful trade. We also had amazing trade on Euro Yen. We all have traded all the pairs, but I'm just going to show you the best one we have it, which traded bank amazing profit. So pretty straightforward. If you look at the 4 hour chart, that's what I explained my trader. Price develop head and shoulder pattern. If the price cannot break, let's keep taking a pullbacks. So how we taken all this pullback? Let me share with you the analysis. So if you look at here just before London Open, and we had a beautiful, you can see here, just 6:40 London time. We have analysis, beautiful breakout, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, we were looking for another pullback based on the analysis as you have seen. What amazing, beautiful pullback short trade. Bank amazing profit after banking. We did another analysis because we're constantly monitoring the price and helping our trader not to miss any opportunity. We have beautiful pullback, three more full pullback short trade, bank amazing profit, another beautiful breakout short trade here. We have another counter long trade here, which is a pretty straightforward as explained. The price has developed low high, developed consolidations, triple bottom, beautiful breakout, long trade, hit to the profit target, bank some profit. After banking, we look for another short trade here, beautiful breakout, and the last trade we had, that was the beautiful counter long trade here. That's the only thing is we already explained the reason behind it. Price nicely broken, false breakout, could not maintain. That's the high probability of short trade here. This is what we call the speculation. Market came back, hit all the stop loss, and that's the high probability for long trade here. Amazing trade, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you can enjoy more when you watch all that analysis in real time. At the same time you're banking some profit, or at the same time you learn price action. So most welcome if you want to see all that analysis and want to bank some profit to join our fast going to the community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day, and thank you. Until next time, all the best.